Welcome to our channel. We're Marcus and Patrizia, and in 2023 we decided to take time off to travel full-time for 3 months. From the bustling streets of Asia to the vibrant landscapes of South America, join us on this incredible journey as we discover the world and capture these moments to share with you. As our passion for travel continues, you will always find us somewhere on the map.
So we've made it to Chichen Itza.
Took 3 hours with a coach from downtown Cancun, but also a cool thing is we didn't know, but Chichen Itza is 1 hour behind Cancun, so the time changed as well.
Yeah, we weren't expecting it, just a little bus journey and all of a sudden the time zone changes.
Yeah, and Chichen Itza was actually also discovered, it was under a jungle.
Yeah, and once they discovered it, they just cleared out the jungle, made space for this. Often when we think about this temple, we call it Chichen Itza, but the temple's name is Can. Probably haven't pronounced it the best, but that's what it's called. So that just simply means serpent and feather in Mayan.
Yeah, we learned a lot of facts about the Mayans who lived here, and the descendants of them still live in these areas in huts.
With no electricity, they just live the traditional way.
And they cook on open fire.
So the difference with here in Mexico City is that Mexico City, a lot of the historic temples and structures, they're actually from the Aztecs, which are completely different. And it's way more deserty and mountainous. But here it's pretty flat and jungly, and this is where the Mayas were from, which are an older civilization.
These are the ones who had insane knowledge on astronomy, and they invented or developed the solar calendar.
And yeah, what's cool is that all of these ruins and temples, a lot of the time, certain times of the year, you can see planets, stars and sun all aligned. When you clap your hands, the sound sort of bounces and creates a noise that birds that the Mayans love, or would decorate their headgear. Feathers would come from that bird, and it makes the same sound as when I clap.
After the Chichen Itza, we're now at the Cenotes. Now, I'm not sure exactly which one this is, but the tour brought us here.
And supposedly there's 7,000 in this area. So this area doesn't actually have rivers like we have at home. All of their rivers are underground, and some of them are about 35 meters deep.
Yeah, that's the Cenotes basically. And we've just had lunch, and you have to, this one we're at, you have to get a life vest, which you have to pay for extra. We decided not to because we wanted to go down obviously for a swim and some photos, but we tried out some photos and the lighting is not great.
And the water is not as appealing. Maybe it's because of the sky, but
I mean, it's definitely beautiful.